Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be walking through the entire OLSP system update. This is a review that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and one of the ones that I like to do. The last time I did this was in December, so I'm excited to share with you guys a little bit of an update and give you a nudge also to let you know what works and what doesn't work. Let's get on to it. All right, guys, if you're coming to the channel for the first time, welcome. And if you are here back, I'm excited to share with you guys this update video. OLSP, guys, is a system that I'm personally using for some time. I call it the ecosystem. I use it as an ecosystem. It's a place like Warrior Plus or like ClickBank or like JVZoo. In my opinion, OLSP can be considered also an affiliate network and ecosystem that I have itself. What I primarily do is I build my email list as an affiliate marketer. I have an audience. I need the skills to build my list and then from there email my list. Okay, this is as a whole in a nutshell, a very basic nutshell that I gave you right now what affiliate marketing is. And OLSP teaches you free organic methods that you can go about doing it. So let me share with you what you get. But it is a system that was started, I believe, at least if I'm not mistaken, in 2020, actually 2016 or 17, if I'm not mistaken, the first versions got started. Then it moved on to the way that it is right now, which is putting a lot of fun elements into affiliate marketing that I think is good. The first is that it has an ecosystem of products that are available that you can be an affiliate for, share that and get percentage of commission. Obviously that ranges from 10% commissions to 80% commissions in some cases, or even 100% commissions in some cases, or even 200% commissions in some cases. Yes, 200% commissions. It ranges in between, and the math does work with the 200% commissions, guys. I will not get into it, but it does work. So that is one of the things that it has. So it's an ecosystem in itself. It's also gamified lots of this process. So they give you points on actions that you should do. So in just like, things like school, communities like school that you build and everything else, that you gamify a lot of things. The same thing is right down here with you. So what Winkro has done, actually, if you guys can see points and prizes, he's gamified it so much that every single month there is a point system and a ranking system that you get for new sales, new leads, new action points that you have. Like you can actually see over here how to earn points. Like there are evergreen offers. If you submit this MegaLink onboarding training and somebody goes through it, right? Let's say you submit this, somebody, and you celebrate your commissions or whatever it is, you can see what is there and what you need to provide as proof. And you can start to get points for each of these actions that you do. And when you do these actions, I believe that is going to really help you. And these are also actions which happen on weekly events. So it's not just about keeping you accountable, it's also about helping you grow by learning through all of these different things, right? So this is something that you should look at. Obviously these are tasks and you can get different point system with that. And as you guys can see right here, there's a leaderboard for points, and the points also are connected to contests and prizes, and there are different pools. Obviously the contest prizes change for every pool, but let's say you get first place, you're getting a a contest prize of $10,000. So that's quite interesting to see. You can see the sale contest here, you can see Hall of Fame, so you can see who has been winning and coming first and second, and overall in general as a whole all-time leaderboard here. And I think on the other side you have the previous month's leaderboard right here, so you can actually see how people are doing things. So it's a great community to be a part of for sure. So that's the second thing I want to reach out and say, that OLSP also has a great community backing it. Over 100,000 people in their Facebook group. They definitely help you along the way. So that's a really cool thing to have. The third thing I would say is that they have also weekly live events, and that you can see on a calendar right here. So there's an upcoming event calendar, and if you click on see all, sorry, I clicked on the live chat for support. Click on see all, you actually see the events that are planned. They are usually planned 1 week at a time, so you won't seem too much ahead. But this gives you an understanding that there are events available and you can go to them depending on what you learn and stuff like that. And also if you share, by the way, those events to other people, and let's say Wayne Crow is doing a webinar and selling a product at the end of the webinar, guess what? When somebody goes through your link, you're getting those commissions. Okay, so that is quite an interesting fact. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. But OLSP is so it has a community, it has events every single week. You have a gamified process where you're earning points and you have a point system. So you're learning along the way. Then you can also get access to, the moment you get in with OLSP, you get access to Comment Dominator Pro, which basically is allowing you to comment on people's posts. And as you comment on people's posts, it will be verified, and then you will get a commission for that. And usually ranges between, I think, 25 cents to 50 cents. I'm not sure exactly how much, depends time and time again, but usually 25 cents for each of these commissions. And that's what happens. And then you have all of these products right here. Remember, I said it's an ecosystem. So let's say you purchase products, your products come up over here. So you get access to all of these things. Some things are free. So you can see these 200 Facebook posts are free. These reels are free. This 24-hour challenge is not free, but for some people it is. And then you have some other trainings that are available right here. And then if you want to discover more, you can see the other trainings and other products that they have available right down here. Okay. And these are products that exist, and if they don't exist, as you can see, for example, list building is no more accessible, right? So you will see the product that's there, but now it's not available. Only when it becomes available again, you will be able to purchase it here. That's something that you can just understand, that these are realistic products that exist. So the ones that are the primary ones that exist are always going to be the mega builder, for example, OLSP VIP, Mega Messenger, Facebook 101, and vertical video, team builders. These trainings are always going to be there. Okay. Then you go to my products, you have everything in my products. And then if you have any bonuses, you'll see the bonuses here. As you can see, I don't have any bonuses. So it's gamified in a lot of ways, as you can see, but I believe that it is one place which can get you focused. It's, let's say you get overwhelmed usually with starting affiliate marketing in general, because this is what happens to everybody, including myself. When you join something like OLSP, maybe you start off with the 24-hour challenge. If you start off with the 24-hour challenge, you're getting a clear training. This is what you're getting right here. Okay, so say you go to the 24-hour challenge, you get 6 videos, you get a specific training, you take action on it. You can post in the Facebook group, you can go on events, you will hear also Wayne talk about these things quite a lot. So your focus is on that challenge, but now you're getting access to the community and the ecosystem behind it, right? So it's building up along the way. And this means that you're learning skill sets. Now, I will say primarily with OLSP is connected a lot to Facebook. I'm saying Facebook a lot to Facebook. It doesn't mean that it's only Facebook strategies, but Wayne Crow is really good at Facebook strategies, and he has been doing it for years and years and years, and he's a great guy for those Facebook strategies. So you learn solid long-term strategies that you can apply, and then the same thing can be done maybe on an Instagram, and you can then transfer those to them to other platforms. But primarily he focuses on Facebook. That's what something that I want to share with you. I personally have been sharing these OLSP and trainings and everything else with my email list. And that's how personally I have earned commissions. You can guys can see I have about 119 commissions right now available for me to withdraw. Uh, this is the total amount of commissions that I've earned. So about $600 in commissions. I don't actively promote it. I promote it to my email list when it's needed, and that's about it. But I wanted to share with you guys the value in it. Personally, it is an ecosystem that I have been using for over 5 years, me personally, and I love it. I'm happy to recommend it because I know that people are taken care of every single week, every single day within this community. So something I'm really proud of. Again, if you want to focus on Facebook strategies and use also the resources that are available, which are quite a lot. As I mentioned, you'll get access to 500 reels and 200 to 2000 Facebook posts just with the basic amount. I did not mention the cost. The cost of OLSP itself in most of the products, so whether it's 24-hour challenge, whether it's the mega link, whether it's the magic link, is $7. So you can get access to the $7 mega link, which will be in the description of this video. And it's up to you whether you want to get it or not. But that's personally what I would recommend. And take a look, see whether it's something for you. I will be talking about it definitely in the future much more. Right now, I'm making about around 4 to 6 commissions every single month. I'm not doing drastic amounts of anything, but I believe that this is going to get better this year because there's a lot of focus from my side also on OLSP. So it's a good one. Definitely recommended from my side. And, obviously you need to put in the work. Obviously you need to take effort, but it's something reliable. That's what I wanted to share. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, concerns, comments that you would like to let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching and thank you for being here, and I will see you guys on the next one.